Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly send email alerts to all the leads which you are capturing from Magicbricks, and for this you simply have to build integration between Magicbricks and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, you need to sign into your Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. So here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect Access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select this create from scratch. Now I need to select this workflow builder. We have these two workflow builders. One is new, beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one. Another one is classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'll select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as send Magicbricks leads instantly to Gmail, real-time email alerts. And now I'm going to select this folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, a box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Magicbricks, I want to automatically send them the mail, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from this Magicbricks, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Magicbricks, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Gmail. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Magicbricks. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new leads and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Magicbricks, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Magicbricks with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open this Magicbricks. So over here, I have already built the connection. Now Magicbricks does not has the provision to add this webhook URL from the user interface, and that's why we have to send this webhook URL to the Magicbricks account manager. They create the setup, and then we start receiving the leads. I have already created this setup, and now I'm going to click on this capture webhook response. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I will wait for the lead to be received in this workflow. If I receive the lead details, then this is going to show us the connection setup which was created is working fine. So yeah, let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response 7 seconds ago. The phone number which we have received is this 9090. The name which we have received is this latest lead, and the email address is latestlead@pabblytudes.com. Here, as soon as I clicked on this capture webhook response, I have received the lead details in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them the mail. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'll search for Gmail. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send email and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Gmail, and after choosing that account, you have to grant away the permissions, for which you need to click on this allow. You will see Gmail will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully, and now you have to enter the rest of the details. Now in the sender's name, I'm going to enter manually Magicbricks. Then after that, the sender email address is already selected. While we have made the connection, it was already selected. Then we have to enter this recipient email address. Now I'm not going to enter like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. So if you are an existing user, you already know the importance of mapping. But if you are a new user, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. To map this, we have to enter slash first, and as we enter the slash, we can see this Magicbricks. And when we click on this Magicbricks, we can see all the response which we have received. I'm going to enter the email address as latestlead@pabblytudes.com. The CC will remain blank, the reply to also. In the email subject, I'm going to write manually, "Thank you for your property inquiry on Magicbricks," and then I'm going to enter the email content manually like this. "Hello, thank you for showing interest in our property listing on Magicbricks. We have received your inquiry and would be happy to assist you with complete details such as these details. To help you serve better, please reply to this email with these details. Our property expert will contact you shortly after receiving your response. Best regards, Magicbricks." Now, to create a personalized email, I'm going to map the name of this person. So I'm going to put slash and then enter the name as latest lead. In this manner, this email has become personalized, and whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this name will get replaced with the new lead name, and the mail will be sent in a personalized format. So here I have entered the mail. In the email content type, I'm going to select it as plain. The label will be inbox. I'm going to skip all of these fields. After adding all these details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me open my mailbox and check where I have received this mail there or not. So you can see that just 0 minutes ago, I have received the mail from this Magicbricks to this latest lead. The subject which we entered was this: "Thank you for your property inquiry on Magicbricks," and then this was the email body. "Hello latest lead," you can see that this is the personalized mail. "Thank you for showing interest in a property listing on Magicbricks." So this is the same exact mail which we have drafted, and we have sent that automatically to this particular latest lead email address. Now to summarize, we took Magicbricks as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we wanted to send them the mail. We took Gmail as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally send the mail. This is how we have built the connection between Magicbricks and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly early and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.